Hey everyone, welcome to DSA in Python YouTube channel. Today we will look at the problem, remove an th node from end of linked list, the optimal method. Let's get started. Given the head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. Let's see how we can solve this problem. Take 2 pointers, fast and slow. Move the fast pointer and increment a counter till it becomes n. Next, move the slow and fast pointer simultaneously until the fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list. Delete the node after slow by pointing slows next to slow.next.next. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Python solutions. Do comment which problems should I solve next.